Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. My name is Nurul Elmia Farhana binti Mutaha. I'm from Group 4 F1. For today, I'm going to conduct an experiment of workability of sustainable material for fresh concrete. So generally, this experiment contains two main objectives. For the first one is to develop critical thinking on sustainable material for fresh concrete. The second one is to determine the workability of the sustainable materials as fresh concrete by conducting the slump test. Okay, so for the next video, I'm going to show you all the apparatus needed, the extra materials that I use as the sustainable materials, the procedures, and the testing session for this slump test. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video, okay? So these are the materials and apparatus needed for the slump test. I'm using the expired rice flour for the sustainable materials. 3.5 cm of the cone is cut from the top to fill the fresh concrete later. %30 from the amount of cement is replaced with sustainable material, which is rice flour, and the mass is recorded. Next, another 70% of cement is weighed for its mass. The mass of empty container is recorded. And then the mass of container filled with water is recorded too. So these are the materials with correct amount and ratio for the slump test. Next, the cement, fine aggregate, and also the sustainable materials, which is rice flour, is poured into the bucket, and then all the materials used is mixed together. After that, the coarse aggregate is added into the mixture. The water is poured into the mixture and it is stirred well before the testing session. And then the fresh concrete is then filled into the cone 1/3 from the volume of the coin. After that, the fresh concrete will be compacted 25 times by using the tamping rod. And then the same procedure is repeated up until the top of the cone is filled with the fresh concrete. And then the top of the fill is smooth by using the towel. After the base area is cleaned from the dropped fresh concrete, the mold is lifted vertically and placed beside the fresh concrete, and then the tamping rod is placed on the top to measure the difference between the mold and the fresh concrete. The result is recorded and tabulated in the table.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Asma Miza binti Zalani with metric number of 2019-264142. This is the video presentation of the slump test with the additional of sustainable material as fresh concrete, which is I replaced the 30% of cement with the ash to test the workability of the concrete. So let's go to see the procedure and apparatus to conduct this slump test.
Nafisa. I'm from J4EC 110. For F1, my number ID 2019 239 258, and in this video I will like to share with you guys how I conduct my slump test, which is I will use eggshell as my sustainable material. I will show you guys what materials and apparatus that I use, and also the procedure to conduct this experiment. So let's go.